How to unlink Instagram account from Facebook. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to unlink your Instagram account from your Facebook, what you're gonna do is, first of all, open Facebook on your device. After you do that, in the top left corner you can see a 3-bar option. Tap on it and go to Settings and Privacy and Settings. After you go to Settings, on the top of the page you can see the option Meta Account Center. Tap on it. Then scroll a bit down and over here you can see Manage Accounts. Go there and here you can see your Facebook, Instagram, Threads accounts. Now if you want to unlink your Instagram account, tap on Manage, which is over here. After that, tap on Move out of this account center. Then over here you can see Move Account. Tap on it, then Continue. After you do that, you will successfully unlink your Instagram account from Facebook. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.